see if he gets me now. Oh, oh. There it goes. He's not big.
I think I caught the biggest one. That one I caught over there while you were over there. Definitely the biggest one.
He's not the biggest thing, but he's all right. Come here, come here. Come on, come on. He's not bad. See, buddy.
I think so. Oh, crap.
Where would it be? Lako's on number 5. I'm on number no. So that's fun. Can't catch anything. I'm no fisherman. It's super dirty right now. Oh, that was bad. Oh, oh, we got one on. Trying to get a freaking bird's nest out. What? Yeah. This guy. Oh, he choked her. No, he didn't. There we go. Little boy. Right up on this tree. Drag it right underneath beds. Over top of beds. Hey, dude, there's a chatterbait just sitting in there. That's Oscar's from what he lost yesterday.
Where?
Right here, come here. I call it, I found it.
No, but yeah, where is it?
Right here. Oscar lost a blue one. Huh?
Did it wash up?
I guess.
Don't take your socks off.
Huh?
That's a chatterbait. Oh, I saw that. I didn't know what it was.
Think I can hook it or something? Oh, I'm going in for it.
Watch this. I'm about to catch it.
If I fall, I swear.
Watch this. Watch this. Let's fall into the way.
We're going in.
Why would your Crocs those? Take your shoes. This is all mud. Your Crocs are gonna sink.
They're gonna sink?
Yeah.
Guess we'll find out, huh?
They're good. Hey, there might be another bait right there.
Ooh, that is chilly. Ooh, holy turtle! I'm on the top of a turtle. Ooh,
What's wrong with you? Why'd you like?
freaking turtle, dude!
How do you know it was a turtle?
Because it was definitely a freaking turtle.
Okay, where'd he go then?
It started moving. We're gonna see how spinnerbait does. Go chatterbait. Oh, that was something big. Pretty nice sized frog.
Hey, we're good at catching bluegill. Yeah. Dude, apparently bluegill nut over spinner baits. Can I add myself on the GoPro? No, but
At yourself.
Go follow me, Jay Fryer.
There are no fish in this pond.
yes, sir.
Oh, he's not bad. Did he choke it?
I set the hook too hard.
No, you didn't set the hook too hard.
He hit it hard. Nelson, get my Senko in your dad's shoes. I need a new hook.
Pretty down in there, isn't it?
Use the F word. Thank you, sir. Hey, Wanko. Give me another Senko. Yeah, kinda. I'm not even gonna lie.
They come off. You're stuck on something.
No, it's a turtle.
Oh, sweet. Bring it to the side. I want to see how big he is.
Just right, like Goldilocks' bed.
Grab him by the tail.
I ain't grabbing that fucking thing. Yeah, you grab
Give him
him.
good content.
Yeah, you.
I ain't grabbing that thing. Nuh-uh.
Your YouTube needs good content.
Yeah, his YouTube. Hey, Lako, his YouTube needs good content. Come here.
Come grab the snapper. I'm hooked on it.
He said, "Do not grab."
What are you supposed to do?
Grabbing it.
No, I'm not grabbing that thing. Nuh-uh.
Be like Turtle Man.
Turtle Man, huh?
Yeah, that could be like
Dude, that sucker's big.
Dude, that,
I gotta get a picture of this.
Dude,
thing.
that head size.
He's hooked through the bottom of the mouth this way. I don't like that. I ain't touching it.
I ain't touching it.
Lako, no balls. No balls.
Grab him.
Got by the tail. No balls.
No balls, it's easy.
All right, do it.
How many closing for you?
So bring your rod.
You won't do it.
That's a Denali. It's in the mouth.
Yeah, it's in the mouth.
Here.
So whichever side doesn't have the hook in,
To cut it.
No.
Grab that.
grab his,
by the
grab him by the tail.
There it is, bro.
Oh.
Too bad.
Ooh. You see that?
There's fish over there.
No. Oh, I just got hit.
Did you actually? Oh no.
He's got it.
Oh.
Is that
Ooh.
a turtle?
Oh. All right. I'm getting in. He comes right here.
Get planed. No, he didn't. It's right in the corner. Sweet.
Go get that freaking scale.
It's in my bag.
You record that?
Yeah, I better would have. Yeah, I'm recording.
Dude. It's a 2-pounder.
We'll get the hook out real quick.
Oh my, no, he freaking mashed it. Nasty.
Like, do you have to scream every time you see a fish? You have a scale?
Yeah, I got to go.
Dude, this thing is in there.
That's what she said.
1.5. I got him.
Ooh.
That's a decent sized fish. Dude. No, don't try.
What?
Freaking maybe eat it.
I didn't eat him. Should I just put him back gently?
Okay.